Gotta go cheese.
Cheese.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Turn around, honey.
Come sit.
Stand with Grammy.
Come here.
Come on. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. Say cheese.
Trees.
Cheese.
Daddy, trees.
Yeah.
Allison.
Look at mommy.
Look at mommy.
Allison. Allison.
Allison, look at mommy. Where's mommy? Cheese.
Hold on.
Daddy, the meaner. Hello.
Hi.
La la la. Allison goes to the couch.
Hi, Madison. Bye-bye. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. It must be Halloween. We got a little Elmo and a skunk. Elmo, run away from the skunk. The
Allison,
skunk is sneaky.
sit on the couch. You and go sit next to him.
Oh no, a skunk.
And your balloon.
Look at
Mommy
that
help?
skunk.
Help.
Let me help you.
Hi there, skunk. It's so cute. Hey, Skunky Poo. Look at you, Skunky Poo. Stinky Poopy Skunk.
Hey, let me.
Here's a trick or treat for Madison.
Stinky Poopy Skunk.
Wait.
That's Madison.
Hold on, look over here.
Allison.
Say cheese. Cheese. You look so cute,
Madison. Madison. What you doing?
Madison.
What you doing?
Cheese.
Allison, hi.
Baby, the what?
Allison.
Baby
Allison.
watch.
Allison.
Play with the balloon.
The
Look at her watching.
You like the balloon, huh?
Where you going?
Madison, where you going? Look at those feeties. Look at those feeties.
Whoa.
Woo.
It's a
You're sinking.
You're falling down, kid.
Up. Hey.
Hi,
Hey.
sweetie.
Look at
my
that
love.
smile.
Yeah.
Hey.
The book?
You can look at the book in a minute.
Yeah.
Yay.
You can look at the book
Look
in
at
a
a
minute.
book.
I got it.
Thank you.
Hello? Yes, it is.
Woo.
Yes. Okay.
Uh-oh, she wants her book, Allison.
Okay.
She's like, hey, give me back my book.
Okay.
Where you going?
Thanks. Bye-bye. No choir rehearsal.
Like,
Okay.
Remy, help.
Come.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go put more film in my camera. Just for
What would you like, sweetie?
Madison,
Just a
are you
few
just
minutes,
relaxing?
just a few more
Are you
minutes.
the cute little skunk just chilling over there on the couch? Look at you, just chilling with a book. Yay! Relaxing with the book. Yep, my head looks a little cockeyed, Dad. Help me out here. I'm too busy filming.
Grammy doesn't really want to be in these pictures now.
You're not, you're just your arms. Okay, not just your arms.
Thanks, David.
Allison, what are you doing? Hey, you say excuse me, don't say hey. Say excuse me.
I'm going to do it.
Boom. Uh-oh. Action.
Hey, Remy.
Wait a minute.
He's doing it.
That's good, Madison. Tastes good, huh?
Yummy. Hey. Hey.
Madison. Madison.
What you doing?
You take the book off the page, Mom.
What are you doing? Hi. Madison. Madison. Boo.
Hey.
I don't know where to look. I don't know where to look. You're yelling at me.
Are you tying it to, honey? To the shoe?
You putting it in Grammy's shoe?
Elmo.
Allison.
Hey, Elmo. What are you doing, Elmo?
Hey, let me touch your back.
Look at you, crooked head, Elmo.
Did you go to Little Bella's?
Remy, a cookie.
Allison, come here. One more picture.
Oh, that's
Now,
right.
keep
We
your
did promise you
profile.
that, didn't we?
Allison.
Look at Mommy and then I get you one.
He said, we keep our hat on. We keep our hat on.
You Roger.
And then I said hat, and she said,
Hi,
oh, hat, cookie.
Say cheese.
Oh, wait. One more time.
One more.
Allison,
more, honey.
come here.
Allison, one more.
Allison, you want a cookie? Come here. Well, you stay right there.
Ready?
Say cheese.
Cheese.
No,
Say it,
no.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
That was mix it.
Yay! Daddy got Mommy saying Jesus. Yes, he did.
Okay.
Mommy got about 4 shots and he's like,
Does it taste good?
Madison, can you say cheese? No, you just chewed a book.
Can you say Jesus?
Can you say Jesus?
Hey, boo. Boo.
Boo. Ah, boo. Boo. Playtime. Playtime. Yeah, there's a big smile. The camera's
Now than you did this morning.
No.
Got your hat off?
No.
Got your hat off?
Okay.
Madison, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Allison, you gonna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Kuno.
Bye-bye.
Answer the door.
Go ahead, Allison.
Do it again, Allison. Make Madison laugh. What are you laughing at, huh? Do it some more, Allison. Oh, do it some more.
What's she doing?
Okay, Daddy.
Oh. Good girl.
Yeah.
Hey, Balloon. Hey.
Hey, Balloon.
Hey, Balloon.
What happened to your book, sweetie?
Was that funny, Madison? Was that funny? What's your sister doing? Goodness gracious, look at her go.
Look at her go. You can see the expression on her face. It's so funny.
Got it? Hey, Balloon. Hey, yours.
Out she goes. Oh, come here. You okay?
Come on, I kiss it.
You okay?
Where?
All better.
Allison, watch this. Allison.
Back here?
Allison.
Hey, Balloon.
Hey, Balloon. Hey, Balloon.
What's on the balloon?
What's on the balloon, Allison? What's that on the balloon? Allison, what's on the balloon? I could kill us, Dad.
Yay.
Is that pumpkins on the balloon?
Hey, it's a pumpkin. I get it.
Yep.
No, look. What?
What's in the book?
Just pages. It's like a bath book.
Yeah.
You know, just sponges. It doesn't make any noises.
Oh, that's fine. That's good.
Yeah, she had one and she loved it.
Yeah, we have it still.
Winnie the
about
Pooh.
20 degrees.
Outside. Outside.
No,
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 it's too
sir.
We
hot.
have supper.
You want supper?
No.
No.
Supper time.
Outside.
Bye-bye,
No.
Allison.
We went
Supper
outside.
or bed?
Allison.
No.
You want
Allison.
supper or go to bed?
No.
I'm gonna leave you, Allison, on Mommy's threat. Bye-bye.
Hey, Balloon. Hey. Hello.
Yellow, blue, green, red. Red. This one's red.
As soon as I get the case, stop laughing.
Okay, it's okay.
Yep.
What's this?
Boom.
You are so smart. What's that?
What?
It's a what? Wheelbarrow. Yep. Watering can. Right.
What is that noise?
We got the hiccups and everything.
Hey. Hey. That's a sandcastle. It looks like a birthday cake. You're right. But it's what's this got? It's got a flag.
I tell you I got her a Christmas outfit.
Okay.
You did better than I did last year.
Slide, that's right.
A water.
Watering can.
Savannah.
Umbrella, yep.
Ball.
And the ball. Wheelbarrow. Watering can. Slide.
Yay.
Yay.
There's a page.
Yeah, that's a pretty good book.
Last year her outfit was $60. I know. This year I got it for 25.
It's much better.
Is she gonna wear it?
Oh, rubbing the eyes.
If it doesn't fit her,
Listen to that hiccup.
and she'll have to
Oh,
wear it 2
goodness.
years in a row.
Mm-hmm.
Kite.
She's young enough. Did your mom used to do that to you for every holiday?
My
So
goodness,
you were like-
Madison. Oh, it don't sound very
Grammar
good.
school.
Kite.
I won't do it that way. I think when they're young like this, it'll be cute.
Yeah.
Those are
Madison.
cute.
Madison, you okay?
Well, no, not for every
What?
holiday.
We can't hold you?
Once in a while.
Water.
Yeah. Wheelbarrow. Can you say wheelbarrow?
Window as well.
Well, that's a hard one, huh?
She went like this wheel out.
Well,
The ball.
yep.
The banana.
Umbrella.
What?
Again.
All
You
done?
got the hiccups?
Very good, Alice.
You're very good.
You're very
You got the
smart.
hiccups?
ABC.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
We get to laughing so hard.
J,
You got the
K, L,
hiccups.
M, N, O, P,
E,
Q,
I,
R, S,
Put it down. Put it down.
You get down.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Down.
little star, how
How
I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay!
What was the one you were making us sing on in the car the other day?
More.
Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Okay.
Sing it.
Can you sing it?
I spotted
Up the water spout.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the
Come the
sun and
Dried up all the rain.
The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the spout again.
Say,
Bye bye, Allison.
stop.
It's
Bye
stuck.
bye.
I'll unstuck it.